Hi friends, my name is P. Harsha. I am studying 8th class. Today I would like to tell about 1.1 into 1.1. 1.1 into 1.1, 1.21, 1.1 into 1.2, 1.32, 1.1 into 1.3, 1.43, 1.1 into 1.4, 1.54, 1.1 into 1.5, 1.65, 1.1 into 1.6, 1.76, 1.1 into 1.7, 1.87, 1.1 into 1.8, 1.98, 1.1 into 1.9, 2.09, 1.1 into 2.0, 2.20, 1.2 into 1.1, 1.32, 1.2 into 1.2, 1.44, 1.2 into 1.3, 1.56, 1.2 into 1.4, 1.68, 1.2 into 1.5, 1.80, 1.2 into 1.6, 1.92, 1.2 into 1.7, 2.04, 1.2 into 1.8, 2.16, 1.2 into 1.9, 2.28, 1.2 into 2.0, 2.40, 1.3 into 1.1, 1.43, 1.3 into 1.2, 1.56, 1.3 into 1.3, 1.69, 1.3 into 1.4, 1.82, 1.3 into 1.5, 1.95, 1.3 into 1.6, 2.08, 1.3 into 1.7, 2.21, 1.3 into 1.8, 2.34, 1.3 into 1.9, 2.47, 1.3 into 2.0, 2.60, 1.4 into 1.1, 1.54, 1.4 into 1.2, 1.68, 1.4 into 1.3, 1.82, 1.4 into 1.4, 1.96, 1.4 into 1.5, 2.10, 1.4 into 1.6, 2.24, 1.4 into 1.7, 2.38, 1.4 into 1.8, 2.52, 1.4 into 1.9, 2.66, 1.4 into 2.0, 2.80, 1.5 into 1.1, 1.65, 1.5 into 1.2, 1.80, 1.5 into 1.3, 1.95, 1.5 into 1.4, 2.10, 1.5 into 1.5, 2.25, 1.5 into 1.6, 2.40, 1.5 into 1.7, 2.55, 1.5 into 1.8, 2.70, 1.5 into 1.9, 2.85, 1.5 into 2.0, 3.00, 1.6 into 1.1, 1.76, 1.6 into 1.2, 1.92, 1.6 into 1.3, 2.08, 1.6 into 1.4, 2.24, 1.6 into 1.5, 2.40, 1.6 into 1.6, 2.56, 1.6 into 1.7, 2.72, 1.6 into 1.8, 2.88, 1.6 into 1.9, 3.04, 1.6 into 2.0, 3.20, 1.7 into 1.1, 1.87, 1.7 into 1.2, 2.04, 1.7 into 1.3, 2.21, 1.7 into 1.4, 2.38, 1.7 into 1.5, 2.55, 1.7 into 1.6, 2.72, 1.7 into 1.7, 2.89, 1.7 into 1.8, 3.06, 1.7 into 1.9, 3.23, 1.7 into 1.2.0, 3.40, 1.8 into 1.1, 1.98, 1.8 into 1.2, 2.16, 1.8 into 1.3, 2.34, 1.8 into 1.4, 2.5 to 1.8 into 1.5, 2.70, 1.8 into 1.6, 2.88, 1.8 into 1.7, 3.06, 1.8 into 1.9, 3.42, 1.8 into 2.0, 3.60, 1.9 into 1.1, 2.09, 1.9 into 1.2, 2.28, 1.9 into 1.3, 2.47, 1.9 into 1.4, 2.66, 1.9 into 1.5, 2.85, 1.9 into 1.6, 3.04, 1.9 into 1.7, 3.23, 1.9 into 1.8, 3.42, 1.9 into 1.9, 1.1 into 1.9, 3.61, 1.9 into 2.0, 3.80. Thanks for giving me this opportunity. Thank you very much. ఈ వీడియో మీకు నచ్చినట్లయితే లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, పక్కన ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని ప్రెస్ చేయండి.